with emotions when you see your child doing so well. Sorry, I'm bragging about my own daughter, but sitting there or seeing her go ahead in life, it feels very, I have no words, because her father passed away 10 years before, and it was her father's dream that we have our own production company. In fact, we had done a film with both of them for AB Corp, Karonda, which did not get released all that well. But Debu always had this dream that we should all as a family come together and have a production company. And I feel so proud that Sai Shakti have taken that legacy ahead. And I hope you all keep your good wishes and blessings for the family, that we will be able to stick to doing good content and try and improve with every coming year. Thank you so much for being here.
I would like to invite, I call her my God fairy, that's Renuka Shani, Renuka Tai. Anything I write, I call her up and ask, I said, Renuka Tai, would you? And I mean, imagine her turning around and saying, I would be honored to. So for me, it's a big thing. She's like the backbone of everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would like to call Girija, who has been a very, very old friend. And when I called her up for the film, I mean, she was just so, thank you so much for doing the film. Wouldn't have Vidya, who's done the song. My brilliant choreographer, Pallavi, please come. Please. Kriya, Suraj, without whom I think Purple Morning can't happen at all. Please, Shubham, Ritik. We have a very small team, but I think we are all enough for about 100 people. So, please, if I missed out on anyone, please come on stage. And Palash, please, you also, because he started off, the second film which I directed was produced by Palash. It was called Silent Eyes. It was, and two other very special people. One is Nakshatra, my daughter, who has come here to cheer me today. Please come on stage. Who's also acted in. So Father's Day is very special to us because we shot it in the lockdown. I shot it on my phone, edited it, and I really felt like it was time to talk about the mothers who've been going out in the COVID, who've been frontline duties, and that was a tribute to them. So yeah, it wouldn't have happened without my daughter and my husband. And Aarti, please come. You are very special. Come. I would want Renuka Tai to say something. Take it.
First of all, I want to say that women directors are something that all of us should really encourage. And I'm so proud of Sai. I love Shravani Tai, and I'm so happy that they have started this YouTube channel for good content. And Shakti, congratulations to you too. And whatever concepts that she comes up with, they are so beautiful, so heart-touching. In a time when there's so much hate around us, it makes you look at films and see the small little emotions that really touch your heart. So I really love the things that she writes and directs, and I love being directed by her. She's very particular about what she wants and what she doesn't want. And I really am very emotional about her actually. Yes. Yeah. So wish you all the very best, and I'm sure that as I love the films that you put out, I'm sure that everybody else will also love the work that you're going to put out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for making me a part of it.
Thank you. There are many first timers, obviously, because we are also first timers in a way. So Mansi, who is acting for the first time, she's faced camera for the first time, and she's done a brilliant job. So big round of applause for her. Rajat, who has always been there. I mean, he's just told me, "Ki ma'am, aap jo bhi karoge, I want to be a part of it." So, and he's done a fabulous job. And if Girija, please, I would want to say something.
I don't know what to say. Me and Sai go back a very long way. We've, I think, known each other for 15, 16 years now, and when she called up and she said that she would like to do this and would like me to be a part of it, I was extremely happy. So thank you so much for considering me, and I couldn't have said anything else but a quick yes, and we shot the film in a day. She's absolutely particular about what she wants and how she wants it, and it was so amazing to watch her direct because I haven't seen her do that before. She's a very strong-headed girl, and I'm sure everything that she puts her heart in is going to be amazing. So I wish her luck. And like Renuka Tai said, we've loved the films. I'm sure everybody will love them too. So thank you.
So much, thank you. Pallavi, she's been the choreographer for the music video, so it was an absolute new genre for me. The grammar was completely different, but since she was there, I knew that we were on the right track.
Thank you. I think you are the positive force for all of us who got us together on the team, and we had an amazing magical video, and she's the magical lady. And yes, we all have enjoyed, even the singers, they were amazing. It just came together. And I think you all must watch it again and again and listen to the song. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you.
And Vidya, who was so generous, I have known him for 2 years, and I completely love his music. He's got a very different kind of music. You know, so when he had made me hear this song, it was a rock meets Thumri. I was quite excited, and I said, you know, we should do this. So,
Okay, I think it's very overwhelming when people say good things about your work. And like I said, when we made this song, I've always been influenced by Indian classical as well as the Western side. So I like to play around with it. And when I shared this song with Sai, she's like, we have to do a brilliant video along with this one to go. And I was ecstatic about it because, from whatever little I've known of Sai over the last 2 years, and whatever body of work she's done in the past, I was like, okay, the song is in safe hands.
thank you so much. Thank you. So thank you so much, and from here on I feel the journey has just begun. We are also getting into TV. We are doing 2 serials for regional channels, regional Marathi channels, and there is another film, digital film in the pipeline, which I will be talking later. Hopefully everything materializes, and as I said, need all your good wishes and blessings, because honestly without that nothing is possible. So thank you so much. Thank you for coming here today, and we really hope that we reach the stars and beyond. Thank you. Pays a support. We love you. Nupsya, oh shit, I forgot. Sorry,
Nupur, please come.
Please come, please come.
Nupur has been a part of our journey when we did films. She's a big executive producer now,
Yes.
foreign films.
Yes.
But she was a part of this team.
Parul, I would want you to also.
Munde, munde,
No,
Parul,
no, you're not going to be here. No, no, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really happy. One, Sai मेरी बहुत पुरानी दोस्त है. She's a very old and very dear friend, and I'm really happy that she's taken this leap and that she's directing now and writing also. It's something that she absolutely should be doing, I felt, for a very long time. And finally she's making films and making content that she likes, that we all like, and it couldn't have been better than to start with these kind of films which talk about something very important that we're all missing right now. It's human connection in the middle of content that has been made, which is about so many different worlds, so many different crisis situations, and lots of conflict. This kind of content which touches your heart, which talks about what finally appeals to all of us, is the connect between two people. And all her stories talk about relationships. They talk about
you know, how humans connect with each other, which is so amazing. I love the kind of story she's trying to tell, and I hope that she gets to do more and more work. I'm glad to be part of the film that I am. It was a lovely experience. We had a day's shoot. Me and Barun have never met before, but I had a lovely time shooting with him and her, and I'm hoping that people like the film and enjoy it. And I hope this Valentine's Day we get to celebrate the true spirit of love, because the last year for all of us has been really difficult, and I'm hoping that things look upwards from here on.
So, what was your reaction? Because it's a different film altogether. It's a very, very unique subject. So how did you react? I mean, every time there's a script, I'm sure coming to you and certain things in your mind. So what were you thinking when, say, you
When I started reading the script, the only thing that I was worried about after having read the whole script is, I hope somewhere midway people don't figure out that there seems to be a twist in the end. So we changed a few things, we modified a few things so that people don't figure that there is this kind of a twist coming in the end, because it has its effect when you only find out at the end of the film that this girl is actually no more. And that love lives on is the kind of thought we wanted to put forth. So I read it, and I honestly didn't have to think much because it was Sai's film. So even before I read it, I had told her that I will definitely do it. Let's figure out the date, let's figure out availabilities and all of that, and that we figured. And then I read the script. But it was always going to be a yes for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I'm going to have to run.
अभी एक जस्ट इट्स अ बेबी स्टेप टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग द फुल फ्लेज्ड फीचर फिल्म्स एंड ऑल. तो अभी जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट जो भी दिमाग में हैं सही के, या जैसे टीम बढ़ती है तो और क्रिएटिव लोग भी साथ में जुड़ेंगे, और जिस जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स अच्छे लगेंगे, जो भी एक साफ़ सुथरे अच्छे कंटेंट जो होते हैं जो लोगों को टच करें, वो बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए. सो दैट्स सम गुड फिल्म्स विद गुड मैसेज कम अक्रॉस, और लोगों को अच्छा लगे देखकर, फैमिली के साथ में देख सकें, क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी है आज के टाइम पर. तो इट्स जस्ट अ बेबी स्टेप. सो पहली शुरुआत हुई है, आज सब एक नहीं.
लॉकडाउन में फादर और ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी हमने देखी. हाउ इजी और डिफिकल्ट वाज इट टू शूट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम?
कहते हैं ना, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. तो आपको पता नहीं होता कि क्या बन रहा है क्या नहीं बन रहा उस टाइम पर, बट द एंड प्रोडक्ट वाज गुड. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि घर पे ही बनी, घर पे ही शूट की, घर पे ही एडिट किया, और मतलब ये अच्छा लगा कि मतलब जिसे आत्मनिर्भर बोला जाता है, कि आप चार दीवारी के अंदर आप पूरी फिल्म बना के उसको एडिट करके उसमें म्यूज़िक दे के आप बना सकते हो, अगर आप में गुड कंटेंट, अच्छा कंटेंट आपके दिमाग में है और आप बनाना चाहते हो उसको. और आई एम थैंकफुल यार कि मतलब घर के अंदर ही एक्टर भी है, डायरेक्टर भी है, प्रोड्यूसर भी है, चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट भी है, तो सब लोग घर के अंदर ही हैं.
सो आगे बात की जाए तो आप फिल्मों में खुद रहेंगे, भी और सेटअप क्रिएटिव या एक्टिंग सबकी अलग-अलग डिफाइन करें.
एक्टिंग का ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मतलब मैं ही उसमें करूँगा, फीचर करूँगा या नहीं. डिपेंड्स कि किस तरह का रोल है, किस तरह का कुछ है. बाकी हाँ ये है कि बिकॉज वंस यू लॉन्च योर ओन चैनल, यू हैव योर ओन प्रोडक्शन हाउस. अगर कल को अगर एक्टिंग करने के लिए, इवन इफ आई वांट टू फीचर माई सेल्फ, और सही वांट्स टू फीचर मी इन एनी ऑफ द फिल्म्स, आई विल डू rather a very different kind of a character what I have not done till now in TV or in serials or in films or in web. तो मैं इस तरह का कोई कंटेंट ऑब्वियसली I'll be looking forward to that kind of a content जो मैंने ना किया हो, जिसमें मैं कंफर्टेबल ना हूँ, जो आज तक मैंने कभी सोचा भी ना हो. इस तरह का अगर कुछ आता है probably yes I will. Thank you so much and need your wishes. Thank you. Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
रीच एंड द कंटेंट का जो रीच होता है उसमें आपको क्या डिफरेंस होता है व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेलीविजन एंड डिजिटल?
See, it's a very easy kind of a reach for anybody on the digital because everybody carries the phone. You don't need to sit in a drawing room or in a bedroom where your television is. So it's basically like even if you're traveling in an auto or you're traveling by train or in a plane or wherever you feel like, you can, if you have the stuff with you, you can watch it anywhere that you that's accessible to you 24/7. So you don't need a television or a big screen for that. So obviously content has to be something which a person should content. It doesn't have to be very hard hitting. You know, it can be a good content. Good content doesn't need to be very edgy or hard hitting. Yeah, there's no doubt that hard hitting contents and edgy contents are right now like an in thing. But even if you have some, you know, very touchy stories or very emotional kind of a content, rather go for that 10-minute film, 15-minute film, or even if you make a feature film, depending on a good content, then I think it's a perfect. And especially for the digital, yes, right now the world is changing and everything is changing right now. So I think this is the new आत्मनिर्भर kind of a thing जो सब लोग अपने फोन पे देख सकते हैं.
What do you think about dramatization of the story? Like we see that often in television when we see content, it's more like as far as the dramatization is concerned, there is a lot of that. And digital media is more of straightforwardness.
Yeah.
There's a lot of climax, anti-climax. So what's your take on the presentation of it?
See, for dramatization, for over the top kind of a thing, yeah, there is television. So if you want to see something different, then only you go for these kind of OTT platforms, like you go for Netflix or Amazon, whichever OTT platform or whichever medium you want to, especially. And I think it's a very content-driven kind of a medium. So you know, if you have a good content in mind and you want to shoot that and put that on the digital media, I think you will get good comments, and especially I think it's a very fast kind of a medium also. So I think it's more straightforward, touching. I think that is something which is very important in a story. That the beginning and the end of the story, or the whole message should be very touching.
What's your take on multitasking? Like the digital media, as even your wife rightly mentioned, has a lot of multitasking involved by one person itself when you create something. So what's your take on that?
I think that's a perfect thing because a person should be multitasking, and right now the way things are, and especially in the OTT where the budgets are limited, right now the kind of situation that we are in right now, there is not a lot of funding, and also a person has to be multitasking. He has to learn how to edit. He has to know what are the nuances of direction, how to save money, that's a production, how to create the music, again that goes for the music direction and all that. So I think a person who is multitasking survives in the industry. Otherwise, I think the saying goes by now, as the saying goes, the jack of all trades are right now the in thing.
Thanks a lot and all the best.
Thank you.
एक तो पर्पल मॉर्निंग मूवीज़ शुरू हो रहा है, उसके लिए सही को, शक्ति को, शाबरी ताई को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ही कहना चाहिए, बिकॉज अच्छा कंटेंट देखने को मिलेगा. आजकल ज़माने में कंटेंट बहुत है लेकिन डिसकंटेंट भी बहुत है. तो मुझे लगता है कि जो कहानियाँ पर्पल मॉर्निंग मूवीज़ में देखने को मिलेंगी वो थोड़ी सी जैसे सही हमेशा कहती है कि उनके नज़रिए से अगर देखा जाए तो ज़िंदगी में हाफ ग्लास हमेशा फुल ही रहता है, तो वैसी कुछ कहानियाँ हैं इसमें. और दूसरी बात, जो कहानी बधाई हो जिसका मैं एक हिस्सा हूँ, उसके 2 लेवल्स के कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे बड़े अच्छे लगे, क्योंकि मुझे आज भी लगता है कि 21वीं सदी में हम आज भी लड़के वाले जो हैं वो थोड़े से रौब झाड़ते हैं और लड़कियों के पास आते हैं उनको जज करने शादी के लिए, जो कॉन्सेप्ट एक्चुअली आज के ज़माने में नहीं होना चाहिए. तो वो एक उसको एक अलग दिशा दे दी है बधाई हो में. और दूसरी बात ये कि वो जो लड़की है मानसी, जिसने मेरी बेटी का किरदार निभाया है, वो अपनी माँ के लिए एक दूल्हा ढूंढने उनके घर जा रही है. ये दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट्स मुझे बड़े अलग और बहुत पॉजिटिव लगे, सकारात्मक लगे. और ऑफ कोर्स द चेरी ऑन द आइसिंग ऑन द केक इज दैट सही हैज़ रिटन इट एंड डायरेक्टेड इट. तो दैट वाज रियली सोने पे सुहागा.
कैसे शुरुआत हुई पर्पल मॉर्निंग? लवली सब्जेक्ट आपने बहुत मतलब रिलेशनशिप बेस्ड सब्जेक्ट
ऑनेस्टली मैं कई बार कहती हूँ कि मैं ना बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट एक एक्टर बन गई हूँ बेसिकली आई वॉज ऑलवेज अ स्टोरी टेलर, आई वॉज ऑलवेज अ राइटर, आई वॉज ऑलवेज समबडी हू वांटेड टू बी बिहाइंड कैमरा। तो एक वक्त आया मेरी ज़िंदगी में जब मैंने बहुत कर लिया और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि अब मुझे नहीं लगता मैं अपनी तरफ से कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट अब और कर पाऊँगी। तो और माँ के रोल में, हीरो की माँ के रोल, हीरोइन के माँ के रोल, मैंने कहा इससे अच्छा आपको लोग मिल सकते हैं। तो आई थिंक अब टाइम है थोड़ा सा मैं हटूँ इससे। दैट्स व्हेन आई थिंक आई गॉट इनटू प्रोडक्शन एंड हमने शोले गर्ल प्रोड्यूस की Z5 के लिए, वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट Z5 ओरिजिनल फिल्म थी। और इंटरेस्टिंग ये थी क्योंकि एक बायोपिक थी एक स्टंट वूमन की, इंडिया की पहली स्टंट वूमन, और इंडस्ट्री के लोगों को भी उनके बारे में नहीं पता था। उन्होंने 100 से ऊपर फिल्में की हैं, तो इट वॉज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर अस टू डू। और वहाँ से शुरू होते होते फिर आई केप्ट मेकिंग शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, क्योंकि क्या है आज भी हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत मुश्किल है वुमेन डायरेक्टर्स के लिए गो आउट एंड गेट, क्योंकि कहानियाँ अलग होती हैं, वी कैन हैव डिफरेंट स्टोरीज टू टेल। तो कई बार लोग कहते हैं अरे यार ये इसमें मसाला नहीं है, इसमें वो सब चीज़ें नहीं है जो, तो कई बार प्रूव करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है। तो हमारे जैसे डायरेक्टर्स ने सोचा कि हम शॉर्ट फिल्म करते रहेंगे उस वक्त तक जब तक हम एक बड़ी फिल्म भी ना कर पाए। सो आई एम सो हैप्पी कि देखिए टाइमिंग देखिए, रेणुका ताई की फिल्म अभी त्रिभंग केम आउट एंड इट वाज सच एन इंस्पिरेशन टू ऑल ऑफ अस कि नहीं हम जिस बात पर हैं वो सही बात पर है। उन्होंने कहा कि 7 साल से उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट लिखी थी, तो मैं 7 years टू मेक द फिल्म। सो आई फील आई एम सो ग्लैड कि ये स्टेप जो है सही टाइम पे लिया एंड देयर आर पीपल लाइक हर हु आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प people like me to grow in life. So I think I'm glad this happened.
आगे के क्या प्लान है, what's next with the channel?
So Purple Morning Movies now is getting into TV. हम 2 सीरियल्स कर रहे हैं फॉर मराठी GEC चैनल, जो हमारी शूटिंग अभी शुरू हो जाएगी। उसके अलावा देयर इज़ अ डिजिटल फिल्म विच आई हैव रिटन एंड आई वांट टू डायरेक्ट, जिसके बारे में हम थोड़े दिनों बाद आपसे बात करेंगे। और उसके अलावा म्यूज़िक वीडियोज़ इज़ समथिंग विच वी आर रियली गेटिंग इनटू एंड आई होप कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि हर महीने विल बी हैविंग अ न्यू म्यूज़िक वीडियो विच विल बी लॉन्चिंग। सो बेसिकली दैट्स वेयर हर चीज़ करनी है इस साल और इससे आगे आने वाले साल।
से वर्किंग विद इन अ फैमिली कितना इजी या डिफिकल्ट रहता है, क्रिएटिव बिजनेस
इनका भी कुछ वैसा ही है ना, इनके भी हस्बैंड जो है बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट फिल्म एक्टर है एंड आई थिंक अच्छा भी है बुरा भी है, क्योंकि कई बार सबसे पहले कान आपके पकड़े घर वाले पकड़ लेते हैं आपके कान में। इफ़ यू डू बैड वर्क सबसे पहले डांट घर से ही मिलती है कि ये क्या है, ये सिखाया तुम्हें, तो आई थिंक लेकिन अच्छा ही ज़्यादा है, अच्छा ही
डेफिनेटली।
आई थिंक दिस संभाल लेते हैं आपको। कहीं आप अगर इफ यू हैव द सेम वेवलेंथ तो आप एक साथ मिल बांट के मिलजुल के काम कर सकते हैं, यू कैन ग्रो मोर इन लीप्स एंड बाउंड्स। सो इट्स अ बिग
See, after being on camera for a lot of years, when now you started working behind the camera, so what new things did you learn and what difference did you observe in the working and your thinking towards filmmaking?
Actually, as I said, when I used to be in front of camera also, I used to be either doing shot division, checking out the light, which is the source of the light. So now I think that's the only thing that has changed. I have kind of moved behind and I have been the one who's been telling people this is what I want. But more or less, I think nothing really much that way. But now I think I have the freedom to do the work which I believe in and which resonates with me. Rather than being told that this is how it should be done. I like that zone.
So the glimpses of your films and your content that we saw today, उसको impactful बनाने के लिए, when you're scripting it, what things do you keep in mind कि अच्छा all the generations and people from all generations should feel impactful and should take back something from it. So what do you think?
Simplicity and honesty. If your emotions are honest and if they're simply put, I think you don't need to make an impact. They just do it. So that's I think the most simple thing, grammar to it.
And Renuka ma'am, for you, I want to know that बहुत सालों बाद we have seen you coming back into content, especially digital भी हो गया, and so अब इतने सालों बाद जब आप आए हो, it's kind of a second phase for you in acting. So अब जब आप when you look towards content, films हो गया या series हो गया, what's your first connection towards it कि हाँ अब ये है तो ये मुझे करना है?
I think सबसे पहले तो स्क्रिप्ट
द स्क्रिप्ट हैज़ टू रेजोनेट विद मी, कि कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा वो स्क्रिप्ट बताना चाहती है जिससे मैं सहमत हूँ या जो मुझे छुए, मेरे दिल को छुए। दूसरी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि कौन बना रहा है। अब जैसे सही कैन ब्लाइंडली आस्क मी कि वैसे आई डोंट हैव अ स्क्रिप्ट इन माइंड बट यू आर देयर इन इट एंड आई विल से यस। ऐसे भी कई ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैंने काम किया है, जो अगर मुझसे कहते हैं कि ये प्रोजेक्ट करना है तो मैं हाँ कह दूंगी, बिकॉज आई हैव दैट ट्रस्ट विद देम, आई बिल्ड दैट ट्रस्ट। बट अदरवाइज मतलब यू हैव टू सी की वायबिलिटी क्या है, या इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट कमर्शियली then is it viable, what is the platform you're doing it on, but basically कहानी that is the base, you know, foundation जब अच्छा हो ना तो फिर जो भी इमारत होती है वो अच्छी ही बनती है, so I feel that is the base.
And with your association with Purple Morning Pictures, आपका कोई contribution रहा है behind the camera with her since you know each other personally?
हाँ, क्योंकि there was one ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट इन द फिल्म जो मैंने एक अलग तरीके से लिखा था। रेणुका ताई आफ्टर रीडिंग द स्क्रिप्ट से चाहिए अगर तुम ये ऐसे करो तो इट विल प्रॉब्ली एंड इट विल गिव, बिकॉज से मुझे लग रहा है मैं समझ गई तुम क्या कहना चाह रही हो, लेकिन शायद अभी वो उतना निकल के नहीं आएगा, तो अगर इस तरीके से करके देखोगी तो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। एंड इट वॉज बैंग ऑन, आई एम सो थैंकफुल। तो आई एम सेइंग दिस इज द फन,
इट्स अ कोलैबोरेशन। आपने जब ट्रस्ट होता है तो फिर आप कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हो। जिनके साथ आपका सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल रिश्ता है, फिर आप वहाँ पर आप बीच में नहीं बोलते हो, देन यू गिव देम द फ्रीडम टू डू व्हाट दे वांट।
And I know that this might not be the right platform, but would you like to share about the response that you received after Tribhang?
Tribhang का response has been very overwhelming, I must say. मतलब हमने सच में नहीं सोचा था कि लोगों को इतनी पसंद आए, और हमने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था कि पुरुषों को इतनी पसंद आएगी। So that has been really eye-opening for all of us कि हम एक सोचते हैं कि ये महिला प्रधान पिक्चर है तो ये सिर्फ महिलाओं के लिए है, ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि महिला हो या पुरुष फाइनली हम सब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, और जो भी चीज़ें हैं, रिलेशनशिप्स हैं या जो भी चीज़ें क्लेश हैं, जो भी हैं वो कॉमन ही होती हैं कुछ तो हमने इर्द गिर्द हमारे देखे हैं, पुरुष भी देखे हैं, स्त्रियाँ भी देखी हैं। सो ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट वी हैव रियलाइज, दैट खुल के आपको जो करना है विद ऑनेस्टी करिए, and audience will be with you. They want to see content which is different, which is, you know, slightly सोचने पर भी मजबूर करें, कुछ अलग हो. So that response has been really eye-opening for all of us.
Thanks a lot. Congratulations and all the best for your upcoming film.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It was not very difficult because ये एक ड्रीम सही ने तो छोटेपन से देखा था। वी वर ऑलवेज, माई हस्बैंड वॉज अ DOP, आई वॉज अ डायरेक्टर, तो सही वो माहौल देख के ही बड़ी हुई है कि घर में ही एवरीवन इज़ इन फिल्म्स। तो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं था, डिफ़िकल्ट था कि कौन करेगा क्या, एंड आई वॉज वेरी कीन कि सही शुड टेक द फ्लैगशिप थोड़ा आगे। आई एम ऑल्सो वर्किंग, स्टिल आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माई फिल्म्स, बट सही शुड कम अहेड एंड डू इट। तो वो एक थोड़ा डिसीजन इन द बिगिनिंग इट वाज, एंड देन शी जस्ट टुक ऑफ, तो दैट वाज वेरी इजी, इट वाज नॉट ऑल दैट डिफिकल्ट, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। Our world is only that. हम लोग जब we are only discussing subjects, we are only discussing films all the time, and whenever she comes up with the subject also she comes and discusses with me कि ये करें नहीं करें, and I feel we are very honest with each other. नहीं अच्छा लगा तो नहीं अच्छा लगा. Even the work that I am doing, I take it through her कि I am planning a film, then she tell me no, I don't agree to this, or the television series that we are doing, we discuss everything at home. So we are very honest about our work, और नहीं अच्छा लगा तो we tell on the front, ऊपर ही हम लोग बोल देते कि this will not work. So it becomes easy to choose subjects, and we all are like-minded. We have the same vision in mind, so it's not very difficult. See, why we made Purple Morning movies, because we were tired of keeping producers happy.
माने जो लोग कहते थे थोड़ा ये डालो थोड़ा ये, she has seen me go through. Sahi has been watching me. I made my first film in 90s, 92. I got my national award. So she has seen that, and she's seen what it is for a director when he works for a producer outside. And आजकल तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया कि people want you to remove something, put that. So she was telling me, Mom, can't we have a platform कि जहाँ हम लोग अपने type का काम कर सके, and we are sure people will come and watch it. So Purple Movies' main intention is to make the content which we have faith, and we are a part of society. We don't feel it as filmmaker we don't belong to this society. So प्लान यही है कि बेबी स्टेप्स लेने हैं, शॉर्ट फिल्म्स करने हैं, म्यूजिक वीडियो, देन वील बी मेकिंग वेब सीरीज, एंड आई वुड लाइक Sai to attempt along with Sai to do a few regional also, because regional content is also essence of this country. So we would do a little regional content also on, and let's see if we want to make it a big web platform. I'm very sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Because we've all started our journeys as actors, and I feel कि जो इंसान कैमरा के आगे होता है, जब वो कैमरा के पीछे कैसे जाता है मुझे नहीं पता, and I don't know how Sai is managing all of this, and she's doing a wonderful job. So I'm very proud, and would want to work with her very soon, hopefully on some project where we can team up together. And it's been a very humble journey that she started off. She started off with these small short films that she's doing, जहाँ पर बहुत प्यारे मैसेजेस दे रही है ऑडियंस को. I'm sure everyone is loving it also, and I would my best wishes to her, to her entire team. Well, she comes from a film family, and you can see that in all her films that she's doing, in all the stories that she wants to say. And before that also, जब मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग पहले ही बैठते थे, I think वो हमेशा से उनके अंदर था कि उन्हें ये काम करना है, and now finally she is living her dream, and I just wish she's already fulfilled her dream, and she just reaches the stars. That's where she wants to go, and all my best wishes to her. That's what I'm saying. यही मैं कह रहा था ना कि जब आप कैमरा के सामने होते हो, ये नहीं कि कैमरा के सामने आना बहुत आसान है, ये भी डिफ़िकल्ट है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से मेरी रिस्पेक्ट और उन लोगों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है जो कैमरा के पीछे होते हैं, क्योंकि आई थिंक उनका काम बड़ा वास्ट है, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिविटी जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत जाती है, कैमरा के आगे भी जाती है, ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से मुझे ऐसा लगता है वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा जाती है. एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर ऑलरेडी इन फ्रंट, टू गो बिहाइंड is, I find that very difficult. I find that is why I'm proud of her that she's doing this. Thank you. Thank you.
सही इज़ लाइक माई फ्रेंड माई सिस्टर, और सही के साथ सही है बॉस. सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर एंड मोर एंटरटेनमेंट, एंड आई हैव सीन ऑल द मूवीज, I mean 2 movies, short films, and also the music video. I am really excited, and I know कि she can just do wonders. I am just with her all the time. So not only the best wishes, but I myself am there with her, and praying to Lord that she should do more and more good. So all the best to my Sai and my Shravani, to my family actually. Thank you so much.
I was quite inspired by her from childhood, and it is very difficult to work with such big stars and be comfortable with the first go. But because of Renuka ma'am and Sai, it was all possible, like from the beginning, and it was very easy, like in the first go itself.
It is a unique concept. I mean, obviously it was challenging also, I'm sure, for you to do this.
Yeah.
How was the whole experience?
It was good. It was more than good. The whole experience was something different because of the character. The character is pretty different than what I am in reality. I'm pretty shy, and it's not like something that I am like.
So you enjoyed the entire journey?
Yes, I love the entire journey. Working with such great actors, you don't have much to do. It's like they just, lead you.
What wishes would you like to
All the best wishes. They are gonna do much greater movies, much greater content, and with Sai in it, everything is possible with her. Thank you.
I'm Pallavi Tore and I'm the choreographer for this beautiful video, Jhuti Jhuti Batiya. It's a beautiful track by both of them, like Vidyadhara and Rashmi. They have sung it so beautifully. It's Western and Indian classical. And our amazing director, Sai. So she got all of us together, and we had this amazing creative team where our DOP or, our artists, our singers, and we had this lovely location. And it was fun, there was no stress at all because everyone knew what we want. There's no storyboard as such, but it was just a passion, it's just a connection which is, coming into the picture of this video. And Sai has done magical wonders where she made us so comfortable and so positive and so, it is amazing. Like there was no stress as such. Yeah, work was really a priority, but she made it so easy for all of us. There was, I think, the great tuning within us. So that has come out in this video. And as a choreographer, I really enjoyed it thoroughly. Working with Sai, she is awesome and I love her for that, and I wish my, I give my all regards and wishes to her for this wonderful upcoming movies of hers, more videos, we want to work more with her. And yes, do subscribe the Purple Morning movies and like it, share it and watch it for sure. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you.
We are here for this event, which is for Purple Morning Films movies introduction, and I'm being like part of the film and music video which they have done, and I'm really glad that I worked with a super team like Renuka ma'am, Tushar sir and Mansi was a part of the film. And in song, Meera was superb, and Sai ma'am is like, everybody knows she's a star. And I'm really glad to be a part of the team. Thank you.